Hey everyone, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a lead called Warm Beating, and it sounds like this if you want to listen to it in solo. There's a little bit of automation here. Now in context. This preset is available at PML's new Deep House pack that you can find over here in the description below. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's get started with the preset. We're going to initialize the preset over here. We're going to deactivate the EQ and the shaper box. And now let's open Serum. So over here, we're going to start with a basic shapes, and we're going to start by selecting a saw, and it sounds like this. Now we're going to put the randomness all the way to 0, so it's always going to start at this point. It doesn't change much in the sound. Now we're going to go here in the menu, and we're going to copy A to B, so we have the same thing in B as well. But A, we're going to put it an octave down. A is going to remain as it is, the level, and B, we're going to put the level a lot down, somewhere like this. In addition to this, we're going to go over here in the wavetable editor. You can see this pencil over here, and we're going to click on it, and you can see this wavetable over here. We're going to essentially just get rid of this bin, and just going to... And this pretty much gets rid of the sub-frequency of this oscillator. And that's pretty much it with the oscillators. Now we're going to go into the envelope, and in the envelope, we're going to start by selecting an attack a little bit higher. The sustain is going to go all the way down because we want to pluck from this sound. And in addition, we're going to pick the decay and put it a bit down as well. But we want this sound to have a little bit of a tail. So for that, we're going to pick the release and put it a little bit up. Now it's time for us to go into the filter, and in the filter we're going to select an MG low 18. We're going to select A and B. I'm going to pick this cutoff and put it a lot down. And we barely listen to the sound at this point. So to listen to the sound, we're going to pick the envelope 2, and we're going to modulate this over here. But the modulation has to be just a tiny bit. And in addition, we have to shape the envelope 2 as well. So envelope 2, we're going to start by selecting the attack a little bit higher. Also, the decay, we're going to put it a lot down. And you don't hear a lot of difference because we still have to tweak a little bit of the sustain as well. So the sustain is going to go all the way down. And the release a little bit higher. Now, we're also going to pick this handle over here, and we're going to pick and put it over here. Now, this one is going to remain as it is somewhere over here. You can start this one at the top of this line and this one at the bottom of this line. And you can already see a little bit of the sound, right? And in addition to this, we're going to go back into the filter. We're going to pick the resonance and put it a bit down. The drive a bit up. And that's it for now. Now we're going to pick the velocity and add a little bit more into the cutoff. So the harder that we press the note, the more aggressive it will sound at the cutoff as well. Now, in addition to that, now we're going to go pretty much into the effects section. We're going to start by selecting hyper. We're going to pick the detune, put it all the way down, and the mix, we're going to put a little bit down as well. Without. But what is going to give a lot of difference, we're going to pick this size and put it a lot down. We're not going to hear anything because the mix is down, but we're going to pick this mix and put it a lot up. Without and with. Now, next, we're going to go with a reverb. Size as it is, decay a little bit longer. The low cut a little bit higher as well, because we don't want to reverb the low end frequencies as well. And the high cut also a bit higher. Spin depth as it is and mix a little bit higher. Now delay. And into the delay, we're going to start by selecting the frequency over here, and this is going to be 1/8. 160, something like this. Now the Q a bit down. And the mix a little bit up. Now we're also going to pick a filter, and we're going to pick this filter, put to MG18, and put this all the way up. Now to cause the modulation, you can pick the mod wheel, and you can put it over here at the cutoff as well. So anytime that we tweak the mod wheel, as you can see here in the automation, now if you want to compare it to the original, really cool sound, and I hope that you liked it. And if you liked it, you can hit the like button. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.